Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's me here, Chef K, with bullshit seasoning. Oh yeah, this is the best kind of shit around. If anyone argues with you, you know what to say. Bullshit. But I'm actually serious. See, it's brought to you by Big Cock Ranch. You can sprinkle this on just about anything, but most particular steak, like your sirloins, ribeyes, Texas T-bone steak, and all that kind of stuff. It makes it taste much better. You can even put on hamburger meat too. Yes, even hamburger meat. This shit right here. Hamburger meat. Yo yeah. What you do, here's the secret. You get the foil, unwrap the foil, all that stuff. Get your meat prepared. Sprinkle this on there. Let it sit at room temperature for 1 hour. And then you cook it. And you can cook it in different ways. You can use a stove, such as that. You can also go way outside over there. Go around the corner. And there will be a freaking grill. Here, I'll show you that grill. That's the grill right there. I wasn't bluffing to you. No, I wasn't bluffing. You can also put on a grill. Gotta get it unstuck somehow. We're back in the great indoors with bullshit. I'm just gonna use the stove, that's all. Hey, the stove works. The stove frickin' works. If you don't like that, well, you know what? You want to fight about it? Go right. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, I just got this thing. Got the hamburgers ready. See that? Hamburgers ready. We got that settled. Take the bullshit, serious shit, bullshit, mega shit. Brought to you by Big Cock Ranch. Whack, 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 whack. And then, and it's always best to smell your seasoning. Smells good. There you go. Prepared. Let them sit there for 1 hour. And while they're sitting there, I'm going to take my bullshit, put it down right there. I'm going to go outside and watch the sunset. Because I like doing that kind of stuff. Yeah. I'm just here. Right next to my grill. Now it's time to cook that stuff. Bullshit. No bullshit though. No. Finished.